get the cheap apples.
Yeah.
They love it. They absolutely go bonkers.
That's their
for
sweet
that.
treat.
It is, yeah. Sweet treat. See, this one is really going bonkers.
I can
for
see,
the apple.
look.
They get fed up with carrots. I think.
Is it? Okay, that's good to know, carrot apples.
Now there's a very big
Oops, right a long bit. Right, all ended, mate. Nearly all
Yeah.
gone.
Look at the one with the antlers. Look, some of them have antlers, some of them don't. Isn't it? Crunchy. Oh, you want to share?
Okay.
Alright, Mr. Antler, you're not coming through? Yeah, he's not on it. Hello, mister. You coming through? Wait, hold on.
To eat that?
Look on the floor.
Look on the floor.
Bye. Yeah. I'm just admiring.
That man was so good. Hello.
The antlers, yeah. Hello.
Here, right here next to me. Come here. You don't get a treat unless you do exactly as you're told. Come here. Right here.
Well, Jiminy Cricket wasn't easy to get.
You got it though, didn't you, in the end?
No, can't. Well, you can't camouflage.
Mind you, with those, when you do those, when you do those spread it and enlarge it, you'll be able to see it.
That's what I'm done. I mean, it's broken up anyway, but he's so camouflaged. Can't even see.
October, November, he doesn't let any of them come to over here. He protected his ladies and never let them come over. They're very lucky.
And there's two big ones.
Yeah, there's one daddy one and this is a young daddy one.
Yeah, and this one's bigger.
No, mum don't have hormones.
Go away, you
They
fly.
don't have hormones.
It's Ralph. Because it's going to take half hour or more to get.
I see.
I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.